Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth comparison review about these two accounting software, which is Xero and Wave. So let's get started with a quick analysis and a quick view about these two platforms to help you decide which of these would be a better option for you to solve your accounting problem. So to get started with a quick view, Xero is a full-featured cloud-based accounting platform built for small to mid business with a complex need, and it also offers tools like advanced bank reconciliation, multi-currency support, and a third-party integration for inventory, payroll, and more. It also deals for business ideas for business looking to scale and automate their accounting. While Waves, on the other hand, is one of the most popular free accounting solution tailored for freelancers, solopreneur, and a small or a very small businesses. It provides invoicing, receipts, scanning, and a basic financial report without a monthly subscription, making it a budget-friendly option for simple bookkeeping. Then talking about these two platforms are best for, starting with the Xero. Xero is best for growing a small to mid business needing a robust features, and talking about Waves, on the other hand, is best for freelancers, consultants, and a micro business on a budget. And here's a viral conclusion for you to decide which of these accounting software would be a better option for your business. So if you need a full-scale accounting with a room to grow, a robust reporting, and a collaboration with the finance teams or an accountant, it's also what cost for your business in expanding or in need automation. Just go for Xero. On the other hand, you can just go for Wave if you're a freelancer and a side hustler, or a very small business that need a solid basic accounting and a invoicing without spending a dime. It's hard to beat for zero cost booking keeping without a no money fee. Just go for Wave.